Well guys, I just got off the phone with Tacoma Nissan, and I am one of the lucky few people that are still going to get a chance to get a set of the NISMO LMGT4 wheels, an 18x9 plus 22 offset. So we're going to drive there and go pick that up here in a minute. This is a brisket that I've been smoking for about 19 hours. We're going to be eating that for dinner in about 3 more hours, letting it get a nice thick layer of bark built up. It's going to be delicious, and I'm going to be hanging out in the backyard with my kids, doing a little bit of a sleepover in the tent, right Julia?
Uh-huh.
And we're having a pool party, as you guys can see, which is a lot of fun. But that's not really what this channel's about. This channel's about car stuff. So let's hop in the car, let's run off to Tacoma Nissan, let's pick up those NISMO LMGT4s. We are almost to Tacoma Nissan. It's just up here on the left. We are there. Man guys, I'm so excited. I've been really wanting a set of these LMGT4s, and I just feel so lucky that I'm getting a chance to get these. So let's go inside, let's get them from the parts department. Got a GTR over there. All right, we're gonna pull in and pick up our boxes. There they are right there. Look at that bad boy. Shay's got them. Well guys, we have made it home, and what do we got here? NISMO 4030S RSR 27BK, made in Japan. Bought these from Tacoma Nissan, as you guys can see. NISMO. I'm super excited. I've changed my shirt and get these guys unloaded. So I got 2 back here. So it looks like the supplier is this person, Nissan Motorsports in Couchville Industrial Boulevard, Joliet, Tennessee. So that's where they are sourced from Scotty Phillips. So that's where Nissan gets their stuff from. I'm not sure if we can buy them on an individual level, but let's open these and get a look. I am so freaking excited. I've wanted these for about 3 years now, and these are a discontinued production again right now, and so I got lucky. You guys, I want to see who guesses if they're high gloss black or if they are a flat black. Here's your official certificate of authenticity. Got the serial number, NISMO one-piece wheel. Manufactured by Rays. The concept is racing Rays. There we go. Take a little peek. Ooh, man. These are sexy. Look at these things. With this nice curling, slippage. All forged. Forged monoblock one piece, series 2, made in Japan. Limited production. They only make production quantities are in the hundreds each year. So very rare, hard to find. Okay, so inside the box it comes with the center cap insert for the center of the wheel. And let's take a look at the back of the wheel here, which you can see it has the nice anti-slip grips, nice wide channels to keep the wheel seated against the tire. And the offset is 18x9 plus 22, so they're the exact same size as the old 17-inch wheels that I had on there before. So they're going to fit really good. And the reason I'm doing these versus the bulk CE28s is the CE28s were rubbing because they're only a +3.5 offset. These are made in December 25th, 2019. So these guys are almost a year old. Man, you can see they really shaved weight on these. RE Rays Engineering 18 by 9J. I don't know what that is, 9Z16. But man, these are freaking beautiful. I can't wait to get these on the car. They've got a nice deep dish. Race Spec 2. And if you guys are looking for a set of these, Tacoma Nissan still has 2 sets. Besides that, they've got a bunch of like the new NISMO Club Racer wheels, which are the same size. They've got 18 by 9s. I think they said they got 18 by 9.5s and 18 by 10.5 in those if you guys are looking for a little bit more cost-effective wheel, but still NISMO. And the parts guy's name at Tacoma Nissan, his name is Shay, and I was asking him about the matte finish one, and he says that the ones with the gloss actually hold up better, especially when you put like the tire shine on your wheel. You don't get all the spots and stuff, so this has got that gloss finish, so you won't get the spots. You can just wipe it off. Plus, I think it'll help with the brake dust. So it can be easier to keep them clean. Before I put these on the car and get them mounted, I'm going to definitely put a couple layers of high temp paste wax on here and let it kind of cure and then buff it off so they're kind of a little bit more protected. Maybe some ceramic coating. Let me know what you guys think. Not sure exactly what I should use, but I'll find something. Well, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. A little bit of an adventure, kind of going out to Tacoma Nissan, kind of getting to see the parts department and see some legendary cool wheels like the LMGT4 wheels. And if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. I'm definitely on a good path. Thank you so much to all the new subscribers. I've got over 100 subscribers in the last month, and we are approaching 1,000, and with your help, we could get there. Subscribe down below, hit that thumbs up button, and I will catch you on the next video. I will be mounting these and getting them installed on the car. Right now, my car is actually up at Up Garage, getting the VCAM system in, so I got to drive out there, swap some wheels, and kind of run around a little bit to get this done. But if you guys would like to join me, I will catch you on that video. Have a good one.